Hey, kindergartners, it's Miss Allen here. Today we are going to be going over our letter rainbow. So we're going to start with the letter A. So we're going to go A says A says B says B says B, C says K, C says K, D says D says D, E says E says F says F, F says F, G says G, G says G, H says H, H says I says I says J says J, J says J, K says K, K says K, L says oh, L says oh, M says M says N says N says O says O says P says P, P says P, Q says qua, Q says qua, R says R says S says S, S says S, T says T, T says T, U says U says V says V, V says V, W says W, W says W, X says X, X says X, Y says yeah, Y says yeah, and Z says Z, Z says digraph river. And a digraph is two letters that make one sound. So SH says shh, SH says shh, CH says ch, CH says ch, soft TH says th, like the word thumb. WH says wh, WH says wh, and hard TH says th, like over there. Backwards, Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. And now we do our vowel song. Let's go. A, E, A, E, I, O, U, U. And sometimes Y. A says and A says A. E says and E says E. I says and I says I. O says and O says O. U says and U says you.